Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another really awesome Stealth we have on the ground. This one is a 2019 Stealth 8.5 by 20 all aluminum trailer. Weight on this unit is only 2,500 pounds. It's pretty awesome for being a 20-foot trailer. And this is a multi-purpose unit. We've got this equipped so you guys can use it if you have larger vehicles such as Jeeps and buggies, or it's also amazing for lower profile cars. And we're going to talk about fits and functions of this unit here in a second. Heavy duty 6-inch frame and an extended triple tube tongue, so you guys will have a good turning radius. This actually has a powder coated blackout package, so you guys can see you've got the powder coated diamond plate here, and then all your black trim and a rounded upper cap there. Side door does have the double lock protection. They use an upgraded locking hasp system as well. So you've got that RV lock and cam bar right there. Aluminum door holdback as well. 250, 200-pound axles. You've got aluminum wheels, radial tires, brakes on all fours, of course. Side vents with this unit. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close the rear ramp door. And you've got a nice big transition flap here on the end. Again, great for the angle coming in and out of the unit. Now this one does have some extra interior height on it. It does have a 7-foot 10-inch interior height. And then we did the nice big premium side escape door with removable interior fender. And fit and functions of this is a couple different things, like I said. Great if you guys have Jeeps and buggies, because if you've got that extra width, you no longer have to fit between your two standard fenders right there. You guys can see we've got the fender off right now. You can drive right over those tires and wheels and get those larger vehicles in and out of here. It's also great for low profile vehicles because normally, as you guys know, you pull your car in here and you have to swing your car door over that interior height. Now you only have to clear those tires and wheels right there, so it allows you guys with the lower profile vehicles to use the door as it was meant to function. We do have 4 D-rings in the floor, 2 here in the back, 2 more up front, vinyl wall and ceiling liner. The amazing Drymax floor. This is a great floor. It's a great upgrade from your standard wood floor. Does not absorb the water and the moisture. It's also on the underneath side of the trailer, so again, for longevity purposes, this is a great floor to have. We did the upgraded overhead LED lighting, so you guys can see you've got 8 of the LED little lights up on top there. These are really bright, very efficient. You guys will like those when they're on. Here's your 2 more additional D-rings. One of your side vents up there. You've got another side vent in the back, so the trailer will naturally vent, which is great when you guys have things with fuel in here. Toggle switch for those light switches right there. And backside of the RV lock does have a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. So here it is. We love these units, like I said, super lightweight. If you guys have Class A's, these are the perfect trailers to tow behind those. And as always, you can call us. We would love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. You can view our inventory online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state of Colorado, and we have great shipping options available for you guys as well. So if you don't live near us, that's okay. We can still get you your trailer at a reasonable price. Give us a call and we'll get you a shipping quote. So again, 303-688-8485.